Okay. Hello, guys. What's up? Okay. Hello, guys. What's up? We're doing a speed run. Say hello to the camera, everyone. Oh, wait, I'm Pumpkin One, though. Wait, my game. We will be. Oh, let's go, go, go. Hello? Hello, guys. Today we are going to be reviewing. We are going to be reviewing the new cosmetics. Woo! Yeah, I don't really see anything there. Yeah, so let's see. I'm going to go into Gorilla Tag. Oh no. Let's play Roblox. Yeah, guys, let me show you why I'm not going to be able to use voice chat. I have no idea, but so you guys know, I am not able to use voice chat on VR for some reason. So as you guys see, I'm going to talk now. So look, so my friends know. Look, see I'm talking? Oh wait, it's working. Finally, freedom. Okay, bye guys. Sorry if it was too short. I'm kind of low on content though, sorry. Bye. Okay guys, so those things that it showed that I was not connected to a server or something like that, and like it didn't let me wear my pumpkin hat that I have. This is what got me before. I didn't catch it on camera, but yeah, it's a playthrough. Credits to Red Dragon VR for this clip.
Bruh. I don't think it changed.
So basically, I was
more
doing
scarier
this,
than the actual back
and
room.
then
So what you
I
want
went
to do
up
is
into
walk,
that corner,
climb around here.
and I heard this. I thought it was a red gorilla that was coming, but it actually was not thing. I instantly turned back on. So yeah. Have a good day, guys. Bye. And I thought I got banned. Have a good day. I have no outro or intro. Bye.